Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can bend a text in Picsart. So go ahead and open Picsart.com and log into your account. Now hit the new project and click on Create Canvas. In the left hand side, you can see the text option. Tap on the text option and then select any of these text. Now you can write whatever you want, like hello, and then tap on the text. You can see the rotate button. Keep on tapping it and scroll it here and there. Move the mouse accordingly and then your text will be bent. Let me show it to you once again. Go to the text option, tap on any text which you want, write whatever you want, and keep on tapping this button, left mouse button, and then you can do this and the text will be bent. And then this can be a good design for your promo or advertisement. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.